Alright guys, severe thunderstorm watch around Auckland, so going home on the bike, so let's see how it goes, eh? Oh, gotta give way, fellow rider. All I gotta say is good luck to me. Pray that I don't get hit by the lightning. Woo. I'm scared as shit, bro.
Yes! Lightning McQueen here!
My visor's fogging up, man. Am I the only one that's crazy to ride today? I actually didn't check the weather this morning, but usually I will check, but it is what it is! Sheesh. Okay.